Hey guys, what's up? My name is Eric and I'm the Techy Agent, and today we're taking a look at one of the most requested products that I've ever had here on this channel, the new Tickwatch. Now in this video, I'm just going to be doing an unboxing and give you my first impressions of the watch. I will upload a full review of this product here in about a week, maybe 10 days, so look for that here shortly. Today again is just going to be the unboxing experience. Now there are actually two different versions of this watch, the Tickwatch E, which is the Express, and the Tickwatch S, which is the Sport. Now in terms of functionality, they're going to be pretty much identical. The couple of main differences are that the Tickwatch S has the GPS chip in the wristband, which gives it a little bit better accuracy than the Tickwatch E, which has the GPS chip within the actual casing of the watch. And the other difference is pretty obvious, and that is the appearance. The aesthetic of the watch is a little bit different. The Tickwatch E looks more like a conventional watch, whereas the Tickwatch S has kind of that sporty look. Now, one of the other important aspects to consider is that the Tickwatch S, the Sport, is about $199, whereas the Tickwatch E is $150, or ballpark $150. So you're going to get a $50 savings if you purchase the Express version of the watch, and it pretty much has all of the same functionality. So if you're looking to pick this up and get the best bang for your buck, definitely go with the Tickwatch Express over the Sport version, because in terms of functionality, they're going to be about identical, again, with the only real advantage of the Sport being that it has the GPS in the wristband itself, so it will be slightly more accurate. Now, the version that you're seeing on screen now is the Sport, and I gotta say, those plastic watch straps leave something to be desired. I'm not really impressed with them, and you're kind of stuck with them. Because the GPS is in the watch strap, you're stuck with those all-plastic watch straps, and even the little hardware on this isn't actually metal. It is plastic, and so if that breaks, you have to replace it with a very expensive band that's proprietary to the Tickwatch because of the built-in GPS. You don't have that problem, obviously, with the Tickwatch Express because the GPS is inside of the casing. So if you did need to or want to go replace the watch straps with third-party watch straps, you can do that without any problem on the Express version. Now, this is rocking Android Wear, so this is an Android Wear experience, which does mean that there's going to be limited functionality if you have an iOS device. So sorry, iPhone users, you're not going to get the best experience from this. Android users are going to be the ones that this is going to primarily appeal to. So you will get a charger with the watch out of the box. It magnetically adheres to the watch, and it has 4 pins that deliver a charge to the watch. The other end is obviously going to be a standard USB port that plugs into your phone charger or your computer. The watch also comes with a built-in optical heart rate sensor, and the watch is waterproof. It does offer some water resistance, so I will be testing out all of those sports features here in the next week as I put this through my typical routine of doing some strength training, some cardio, and an assortment of other workout and exercise routines to see how this holds up. Now, my first impressions overall are that this does appear to be a quality Android watch, and I'm really excited to dive in here this week and let you guys know how it performs. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. My name is Eric and I'm the Techy Agent. We'll catch you next time.